Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to train and develop your business. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser and we'll go to the ChatGPT website right here. That is chat.openai.com. And first, let's answer the question, what is ChatGPT? So as you can see right here, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and released in November 2022. So basically, it is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have a human-like conversations, and they will give you an answer regarding on what you have commanded them to do. So for that being said, let's give an example. So an example would be right here. So explain quantum computing in simple terms. So I'm just gonna generate that real quick, and there you have it. ChatGPT answers my question right here. So that is very simple. And if you want to generate your business or train ChatGPT to develop your business, like you want them to make some FAQs, some SEO optimized form, so ChatGPT can actually do that. And for example, right here, this is an online store, a mollejogger.com. Let's use this for a reference and for our example. So first, I'm gonna just copy everything right here on the page like that, and I'm just gonna paste this in the chat box right here, and I'm just gonna say, can you make a SEO optimized form for this, and just click on enter to start generating it. And now as you can see, here's an example of an SEO optimized form for Molly Jogger. So as you can see, it says your name, your email, your phone, your shipping address, and everything that is been right here actually generates right here once you copy it and make it into an SEO optimized form. So as you can see, it says order details, all the other content that requires during an SEO optimized form. So as you can see, you can just copy this one and paste it anywhere you like on your page. And now next, if you want to say, you can also let them make a product page or a listing page. So I'm just gonna say, can you create a product page and a listing for this business? So just click on answer right there, and as you can see right here, as ChatGPT will automatically create a product page for you. So right here, as you can see, it generates a product page like the scrimshaw knife kit, and the price and the availability and the description. And as you can see, it also lists another product rather right here. So it's very simple as that, and it's very there is no hassle in making this. So thanks to ChatGPT for that. And now if you want to go to about right here, let's say, for example, this is your business and you don't have an about on your business. So just click on, can you create an about page regarding my business, Molly Jogger? So just click on answer right there. And once you have done that, just wait for ChatGPT to create your about page. So right here it says Molly Jogger is an authentic American heritage brand rooted in the right here. So as you can see, it says their story and their products. So it's very much simple. All you have to do is to type on a detailed information or a detailed question, and automatically ChatGPT will now answer what have you commanded or what is your question regarding on your business. And next, if you want to create an FAQ of your business, so just say, can you create FAQs for my business, Molly Jogger? So I'm just gonna generate that and just wait for ChatGPT to answer the questions. As you can see, ChatGPT already has given you some answers on a FAQ. So these are the basic FAQs that ChatGPT generates. So you can just copy that and you can just paste it on your business, something like that. And now if you want to go to context right here, and let's say for example this is a blank page, so you can just say can you create a contact page for my business. So just click on answer right here, and it says right here, there you have it. It now creates a contact page, like contact us and we'd love to hear from you. And they also create a customer service site or a customer service section. So there you have it. And once you have done with that, you can just actually copy this one and actually paste it right here. And there you have it. So as you can see, ChatGPT is very hassle-free website, and it is very good. And some information may not be accurate, like if you type a person, a date, and something like that. But if you want to develop your business through ChatGPT, so all you have to do is do that. Like you just send a message to them right here and give a detailed instruction or a detailed question, so ChatGPT can now generate what you want them to do. So it's very simple as that. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!